Unexpected! What? Whoa!
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, southeastern Cheatham County in Middle Tennessee, northern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee.
This radio didn't go off.
5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:20
That one didn't
p.m.
go off.
Central Daylight Time,
That
severe
one went off.
thunderstorms were located along a line extending from
Sorry, that's my Lego, sorry.
near Kingston Springs, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail.
Ooh.
Source, radar
First
indicator.
alert, everyone at WR10.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Brentwood, Goodlettsville, Millersville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belmead, Kingston Springs, Lakewood, Pegram, Hermitage, Bellevue, Old Hickory, Fairview, Berry Hill, Whites Creek, and Bells Bend. The Vanderbilt Stadium and the Tennessee State Fair in Nashville will also be impacted. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe